Ladies and gentlemen, a few days ago, during a meeting in my office, we got to talking about the days of radio, how different it was from television. You see, in radio, we relied heavily on imagination. With just a few words, we could create a whole mood, a whole picture, a picture in your mind. For example, I'd like to play for you a recording of an actual scene that I heard just a few weeks ago on my radio. Don, would you bring out that phonograph, please? Now, this is a recording of a radio program I heard just a few weeks ago. It's a love scene.
John, how could you do this to me?
Cynthia, what is it?
I saw what happened last night at the party. The way Ellen kept staring at you, devouring you with her eyes.
Darling, why would I look at another woman when I've got you? Your hair, your eyes, you're so beautiful.
Oh, I guess I have been foolish. It isn't your fault. You're so tall, so handsome, so attractive to women.
Well, that's what I heard. And now I'd like to bring out the two people who actually did that scene on the radio. Liz Lamont and Rick Barton. Now, tell me honestly, did you picture these two when you heard these words here?
John, how could you do this to me? What happened last night at the party? The way Ellen kept staring at you, devouring you with her eyes.
Darling, why would I look at another woman when I've got you? Your hair, your eyes, you're so beautiful.
Radio really covers up a lot, doesn't it? Now look I want you to do me a favor. Oh, Don, would you please bring out that microphone and two scripts? Give them each their scripts, that's right. Now, do that scene again, just the way you did it on radio. Yes, sir. Yes.
John, how could you do this to me? I saw what happened last night at the party. The way Ellen kept staring